Welcome back to Dr. George Wellness. Today we are focusing on a relaxing inner thigh and leg massage gun therapy session designed to help loosen tight muscles and improve circulation. Start by placing the massage gun gently on the inner thigh muscles. Use a low to medium speed setting and slowly glide along the muscle fibers. This area can hold a lot of tension, especially if you sit for long hours or do intense workouts. Move gradually from the upper inner thigh toward the mid-leg, letting the massage gun pulses relax the muscle tissue. Keep the movement slow and controlled. Avoid staying too long in one spot. Massage gun therapy helps stimulate blood flow, reduce muscle stiffness, and support faster recovery after exercise. Next, move toward the lower thigh and upper leg area, continuing smooth and gentle passes. Remember, comfort is key. The massage should feel relieving, not painful. Regular muscle care like this can help improve flexibility and reduce everyday tension in the legs. Thanks for watching Dr. George Wellness. Relax, recover, and stay healthy.